Hello, glad to see you at Wild Soul Cooking. Now I'm going to show you a super delicious potato dinner. It's very easy to prepare and a portion for the whole family. Cut 4 potatoes in the large cubes. My neighbors decided to make repairs, so you can hear the sound of the hammer drill. Pour water. Add salt. Cook for 25 minutes. 1 onion. I love to cook this dish because everyone in my family loves potatoes and meat, and for us it's perfect combination. And what are your favorite foods? Olive oil. Fry for 3-4 minutes. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell so you don't miss my next video recipes. Great to see your support. 400 grams of minced meat. Season with salt and pepper. A little oregano. 200 grams of tomato puree. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss new recipes. Also check out my other videos, it's good for me and important to the development of the channel. Drain the water from the boiled potatoes and make a puree. 1 cup of cream and mix. Layer the puree and the bolognese sauce in a baking dish. Cheese. Sprinkle cheese on top. Bake for 40 minutes. Today my family will be delighted. We will now taste the dish at a large table in a cozy atmosphere. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.